If you're buying your first home, the process can feel overwhelming. There's a lot of noise, pre-approvals, inspections, closing costs, negotiations, and a lot of buyers don't know what actually happens first. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process from start to finish, what to expect financially, how the offer process works, and what first-time buyers often overlook. Before you ever start touring homes, you need clarity on your numbers, and that starts with getting pre-approved, not just pre-qualified. Now, pre-approval just means your financial profile has actually been reviewed and you have a realistic price range to operate in. Buyers should also budget for closing costs, inspections, appraisal fees, and reserves. The biggest surprise that first-time buyers have is realizing that the down payment isn't the only cost involved. Once you're pre-approved, you start touring homes. This is where emotion can take over. But it's important to separate finishes from fundamentals. You can change paint, you can change flooring, you can update fixtures. You can't change location or layout. When comparing homes, especially in new construction communities, you want to evaluate functionality, parking, storage, and long-term resale appeal. A beautiful kitchen matters, but how the home lives day to day matters even more. When you find the right home, your offer is more than just a number. It includes your earnest money deposit, contingencies, timeline, and terms. Contingencies protect you, whether that's financing, inspection, or appraisal. A well-structured offer communicates seriousness and clarity. Once your offer is accepted, the inspection phase begins. Even in new construction homes, inspections matter. This is one of the biggest leverage points in the entire transaction. Buyers may request repairs, credits, or negotiate terms based on findings. The inspection isn't just about defects. It's about clarity and understanding what you're purchasing. Once inspection and underwriting are complete, you move towards closing. You'll complete a final walkthrough, sign documents, and receive keys. But the real goal isn't just closing. It's making an informed decision that fits your life and long-term goals. Buying your first home isn't about perfect timing. It's about understanding the process and moving forward with clarity.